Hello and welcome to another update video about Vaiot, yeah, VAI. It showed a bit of potential here to the upside. In my opinion, this looks like a three-wave structure. From that point of view, I don't think that VAI has bottomed yet. It of course could have, because it reacted to the 78.6 retracement. You know, this is sort of the level. As long as it holds, price can still rally in a third wave with a decent likelihood. If we get a sustained break below that level, it doesn't really look that good for this coin anymore. So far it's holding, but it only rallied in what I believe is a three-wave structure, okay? So what I mean is this looks very much like an ABC structure here again that is unfolding within the Y wave. Very complex correction again. A wave, possible B wave top here, and then a C wave down. But the problem is that this is running out of space. So the next support below this would be 3.44 cents based on this WXY correction. Yeah, the problem is that any sustained break below the 78.6 fib level will make it a bit difficult, yeah, to still rally afterwards. Overall, it is a pretty nice five-wave move to the upside. So we've got that as a possible wave one, but it needs to hold support, ideally the 78.6 fib level. Below that level, it will get critical. Okay, 3.4 cents is still another possible support. But as you can see, we are now at 9 cents. So the overall risk to the downside is quite large already. Oops. And at the moment, it's only producing us here a three-wave move to the upside. Yeah, it's just very that structure here is very corrective. So the move up looks like a three-wave move in a small A wave off wave B. You can actually label that. Have a small A wave, then a B wave down, and a C wave up in wave B. That's sort of how it looks at the moment to me. And I would at the moment expect another move down. If we, however, break above the X wave high at 14.2 cents, then something more bullish is probably going on. But at the moment, this to me looks too much like a three-wave structure to the upside. But bear in mind, it did hold the 78.6 fib level, so has a chance to rally already in a third wave. I don't quite believe it yet. Interestingly, on this chart, it's not on all charts like that, but if I go to the log chart, and you know, there isn't really a right or wrong which one to use. I'd always prefer the linear chart, but on some charts, the log chart may be a good choice. Here, interestingly, this particular wave count would allow price to go all the way down to 1 cent, actually. The 78.6 fib level on the log chart. Yeah, on most charts, retracement levels, especially on smaller time frames, on linear and log are very similar. This chart, interestingly, not. So yeah, again, you know, at the moment the move down looks corrective. So interestingly, here on the log chart, the 50% retracement level is pretty much the same price level as the 88.7 fib level on the linear chart. So I'm saying, you know, this is certainly the next support. We need to see what happens below that. I think it is important on this chart as well, just to be careful. Like on all charts at the moment, we're in a downtrend still. I don't think this is not enough to give us an uptrend. It's certainly some interesting movement, but not enough for me to say that VAI has bottomed. If I see 5 waves up, at the moment we only have 3. If I see 5 waves up and a subsequent 3-wave move down, we hold a higher low. Yeah, and if we get the first 5 up anyway, then I will provide support for a 3-wave pullback. Then I can say, okay, possibly we have bottomed. At the moment, I just can't do it, and the trend is still down, so it still follows downside. And also the structure here that was made around the 78.6 fib was just not a strong reaction, and I would still look at another low at this stage. Could be wrong, you know, it could be wrong, but again, the setup is here, and as long as it's holding that support level, it could rally. I just don't believe at this stage it's doing it, and probabilities for another low here are still very high, especially as long as the move up is only in 3 waves. So yeah, hopefully I like the update about the VAI. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.